What's up, everyone? Hope your day is going well. Wanted to do a video from the field out here, just watering the cows this morning. They definitely want some. It's been pretty hot out here, but there's something that I think everybody needs to remember right now. Some people who've been in this market for a while know this, but during the summer months here, while we've been on this consolidation phase since March, while we haven't been making much headway and we've just been, essentially chopping up and down throughout the crypto market, not just BTC, but everything included, you need to remember to not fall asleep at the wheel. There is going to come a moment where the market makers, the larger entities, the ones that have been taking this time to accumulate, they decide to send the market to new all-time highs. BTC assets pushing towards new all-time highs, and frankly creating this euphoria that's going to bring in a lot of new users into the space, kind of similar to what we saw in March, but what we tend to see in alt season, the most explosive times in crypto. During these months, it's very easy to kind of get caught in just the blah, the boring, the wanting things to go up, even when times, when there's not much going on, frankly, right? We've dealt with a lot of negative macro factors, talks of recession, war, all these negative things, right? But there will come a point where it won't matter, all right? Yes, I understand that a recession would impact the overall market and markets everywhere, but there's always a point of recovery. There's always this inflection point where the market decides, hey, it's time to turn around and go the opposite direction. And the more I'm seeing institutional money accumulate, the more I'm seeing whales accumulate and pull assets off exchanges, whether that be BTC, SHIB, ADA, whatever it may be. The trend is staying consistent. All right, they're continuing to do this. They're not changing their direction at all, and it kind of makes you think, right? These have basically been big washout attempts, right? We've been kind of stuck in this bear trap that we've talked about time and time again. We're kind of in the psychology of a market cycle, that disbelief phase where we think that this is going to fail like the rest. We think that the bull market's over. I've seen people specifically making comments about this. And frankly, bull market's not over, guys. We are just getting started, all right? Now, this is not a guarantee. This is not financial advice, but I really want you to think about what these large entities are doing right now. They're paying attention, they're watching, they're scooping up dips, right? Even as we went on our major retracement in terms of BTC, what did institutional money do? They bought. Peter Schiff specifically, and the reason I'm calling him out is because he didn't respond to my comment. I said institutional money is going to buy the dip. He said they were going to sell. Guess what they did? They accumulated, they bought. Yes, some of them sold, just because customers unloading their shares and things like that. But for the most part, look at what the direction has been. It's been up. It's been accumulation. Ethereum seeing its second and third highest spot ETF inflow days, okay? And I don't mean to keep rambling on and listing off all these different things, but you got to understand the point. The direction is being set. The direction is going to be up. Again, it's never a guarantee, it's never financial advice, and we don't know specifically when it is going to be. But if we look at cycles past, when we look at when we have this trigger, when things start to flow, it happens very quickly, it happens very violently. And these new capital inflows lead us into ranges of lower liquidity where assets move faster. And that's why during this time, it's important to make sure that you are on your game, that you're paying attention, that you've accumulated what you need to accumulate during these times where we've gotten discounts. Now, this doesn't mean that we won't go lower. It doesn't mean that, we're just going to spike to the upside right now either, right? We're still kind of dealing with this digesting of data. We're dealing with a lot of different things right now. Curious about what I'm doing, but hopefully you guys get the point. There will be a moment where the market sends, and it's all about just making sure you are prepared, you are ready, you are paying attention, because this is one of those cycles that you do not want to miss. So appreciate you guys as always. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. Catch you in the next one. Take care.